Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode from mksenglish.com. I'm Mark, and if you're thinking about taking the TOEIC test, but you don't know where to start, this episode is for you. Today, I'm going to give you a simple, realistic plan to begin your TOEIC journey, even if your English is not perfect. First, let's talk about something important. Many students think I need to be good at English before I start studying TOEIC. That's simply not true. TOEIC is not about perfect English. It's about understanding patterns. Once you understand the patterns, your score will go up. So, what is TOEIC? TOEIC is a test that checks your listening and reading skills. There are no speaking or writing sections in the standard test. You will answer questions about photos, conversations, short talks, and emails and business messages. This means you don't need advanced English, you just need smart practice. Now, let me give you a simple 3-step plan. Step 1. Study a little every day. Look, don't study for 3 hours one day and then, stop for a week. Instead, study for 20 to 30 minutes every day. It's true, consistency is more powerful than intensity. Okay, step 2. Focus on listening first. Most students struggle with listening. Start with a short audio. Listen once, listen again, repeat the script, and then listen again. This is how your brain learns. And if you want, check out this channel for some more audio practice. Okay, step 3. Learn the TOEIC vocabulary. TOEIC uses business English. For example, meeting, schedule, client, report. You don't need difficult words. You just need common words that are used often. Okay, so now here's a mistake I see all the time. Students take practice tests again and again and again, but they don't review their mistakes. Do you? This is a big problem. If you get a question wrong, ask yourself, why was I wrong? What did I not understand? This is where the real learning happens. Finally, let me give you some motivation. Your TOEIC score is not your English level. It's just a number. But improving your score does mean better job opportunities, more confidence, and better communication skills. And also, you can do this. Even 10 minutes a day is enough to start. So if you want help preparing for TOEIC, you can study with me online at mksenglish.com. I offer simple practical lessons to help you improve step by step. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.